Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the exposure, contrast and shape of your picture on the Photoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the home button down below, which is the first option. Now go to the top of the screen to the start creating section and tap on edit photo, which is the first option. Select a picture that you want to edit now. At the bottom of the screen, slide to the right side until you find the target button. Tap on it, and here you can select a shape such as radial, linear or mirror that you will apply, and then by positioning the shape to your picture you can select the exposure of that particular part by using this scale. Select its exposure, saturation and the hue as well. So as you can see, you only edit that particular part of your picture that you have selected by the help of the chosen shape, which is now mirror. But if you tap on the radial, then you can also edit this part and adjust the exposure, contrast, saturation, hue and so on. So that's how you can edit particular parts of your targeted picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.